Today we're going to be installing the AoonuAuto LED door sills on the Lexus ES350. It's a 2007. As you can tell, there are already door sills, so we are going to have to remove these. It should pop out very easily on its own. Just use a tool similar to this one. As you can see, the clips easily come out. Right here, we're just checking behind the door where the button is that activates the lights to see what color the wire is so we can identify it in the wire bundle. In this case, for the Lexus ES350 2007, it's a gray wire. Today, we're going to put on the door sill before wiring it, so we're going to wipe it down with the cloth first. Because it's cold where we live, we warmed up the 3M tape on the back of the door sill and we just pressed it down in place. Attach one of the wires to the gray one, which we found by using the door, and one of the wires to one that you can find with constant power, which we use using the tool that AoonuAuto provides in the kit. Wrap up the bundle of wires with the electrical tape that AoonuAuto provides as well.